BD, AE, they are straight lines. AC equals to CB, and then CD equals to CE. Okay, this is just telling you that this is an isosceles triangle. This is isosceles triangle, which means that this angle and this angle, they are the same size, and this angle and this angle, they are the same size. They mentioned an angle BCA, so BCA will be this, is twice the size of ACD. So this one is 2 units, this one is 1 unit. From what your teacher should have taught you all will know that total angle in a straight line, right, should add up to 180 degrees. Which means that angle BCA plus angle ACD. So BCA is these 2 units, ACD is this 1 unit. When they add up together, it should equal to 180 degrees. Since this one is 2 units, BCA is 2 units, and then angle ACD, which is 1 unit, right, equals to 180 degrees. This tells me that 3 unit is 180 degrees. So we need to find 1 unit first, and that will be 180 divided by 3. Therefore giving us 60 degrees. So we have 60 degrees over here, and then over here is 2 times 60, which should be 120 degrees. Now that we have established this, they're asking us to look for CBA. So CBA will be over here. In order to find these 2 angles, you have to take 180 degrees minus this 120 degrees. Because angles in a triangle will add up to 180 degrees. Which means that this angle plus this 120 degrees will give me 180 degrees. And since these 2 angles are the same, I just have to take the total, which is 180, minus this, and then divide by 2. So angle CBA would be 180 minus 120 divided by 2, and that will give us 60 divided by 2, giving us 30 degrees. This is actually how you do it. Now the reasoning for this one, right, would actually be angles on a straight line. So angles on a straight line. And the reasoning for this one is actually isosceles triangle, but isosceles triangle, the reasoning you don't have to write it down. Okay, done.